So, hey guys, we are back to our studying content. So, now we will study Indian and international number system. I know that you all have many doubts about it because it is confusing. Yeah, it actually is confusing. So, I am there to clear our doubts. So, let's begin our class. So, first you will see Indian and international number system. So first we will make the inner place value chart of Indian number system. So in Indian number system there are crore. Yeah, no, you all know it. And then lakhs. And then the thousands. And then the ones. And they are categorized in that it is in 10 crore. The short form is TC. Now it is crore. It is also written as 10 lakh in lakhs also. It is also in 10 lakh and it is TT and it is also 10,000. And if we go to here, H means 100, T means tens and O means ones. So let's begin. So first suppose the number is 69 crores 78 lakhs 56,876. We have to write it in the place value chart. So what we will do? First the TC means 10 crore. We will write there 6 and there 9 and then the one period as I have written there. So we have taken the one period and then the next 7. So you'll write 7 here and then the 8 and then write 5 here because it is 56,000 and then 6 1,000 and 8 is the 100, 7 is the tens and 6 is the ones. So now we will study the same number in the international number system. The magic will happen. So first the number is this only. I have written space because there if we will have to make a comma so we can a period. So yeah, I know you know the place value chart of the international number system. So there is the ones and it also contains hundreds, tens and ones, same like the Indian number system, but now there is a difference. See, we will write thousands. This is 1000, it is 10,000 and it is 100,000. So now you will see that in the Indian number system there is no 100,000 but there is. This is the magic happens. So now the next is the millions. Yeah. So it has also 3 digits like only million, then 10 million and then 100 millions. So now we will study the same number. So if you read the first comma, it is once after the 3 digits. So we will put the comma there and then write 6 because 6 is the ones, 7 tens and 800. So it is the same like Indian number system, and then we will write the 1000. So it is 6, yeah. It is 5 then, yeah. Now it is same like the Indian number system, but there is a slight difference because there is a new place called hundred thousands. So the hundred thousands is 8. So it is also 3 digits. We will comma here. So this is the confusion point. You will think, what is the hundred tenses? So for example, we remove the lakh 1 in the Indian number system. So the number is 99,999 and we plus 1 to it. What will be it? 100,000. Yeah, 100,000 will be the number. But in Indian number system we have no 100,000, so we convert it to lakhs. But in the international number system we have the column of 100,000, so we convert here. So we have understood a thing that 100,000 is equals to 1 lakh. Are you clear? Yes. So now we come into millions one. So the next digit of it is 7. So we will write 7 in it, and then 9, and then it is 6. So we have completed the number. So you will think, what is the million one? Yeah. So for example, we have the number 9,99,999 and we plus 1 to it. What will be the number? 10 lakhs. Yeah. But if we plus it into international number system, so it will be 999,999 plus 1. So you will think that it is 1,000 thousands, but it is not a number in international number system and even Indian number system. So the new place comes, which is million. So we will write 7 million. So you have understood a thing that 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs of Indian number system. So we will write that 100,000 of the international number system is equals to 1 lakh of Indian number system. And then the second thing, 1 million in international number system is 10 lakh in Indian number system. So now we come to 10 million. Yeah, so 10 million is the new place. So for example, we have the number 99 lakhs 99,999 and 999. Yeah, in Indian number system, and if we plus 1 to it, the new digit comes, which is 1 crore. So simply in there, I told you na that 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So there is 9,999,000 and 999 ones, and we plus 1 to it. What will be it? Million. It will be 10 million. Yeah, 10 million. So we have understood a new thing, which is 10 million is equals to 10 million of the international number system, yeah, not the Indian one, is equals to 1 crore of Indian number system. So there is a new digit, it is 100 million. So what is 100 million? So you can see, if we write 9 crores 99 lakhs and 99,999 and we plus 1 to it, it will be 10 crore. Yeah, you are right. It will be 10 crore. Similarly, I told you that 10 million, that 1 crore of Indian number system is equals to 10 million of international number system. So there is the number is 99,999,999 and we plus 1 to it. So as I told you that in the international number system there are 3 digits, yeah, in all you can see 3 digits. So to million is also have 3 digits, which is 600 there, and if we plus into it, it will be 100 million. So we have understood another thing that 100 million of international number system is equals to 10 crore of Indian number system. So let's take another example. We have taken the example already. So we have take your conclusion and repeat after me. 100,000 of international number system. 100,000 of international number system is equals to 1 lakh of Indian number system. So for your we will write here international. So it is the international ones. So this, and it is the Indian. It is Indian. So yeah, and the second thing, repeat after me. 1 million of international number system is equals to 1 crore of Indian number system. Repeat again in your mind. So I hope you have repeated. Now the next one, which is 10 million of international number system is equals to 1 crore of Indian number system. And then the next one, 100 million of international number system is equals to 10 crore of Indian number system. Repeat after me in your mind. So I hope you have understood the concept very well. So okay, bye.